Hi, I'm Linda from Australia. Recently I purchased this Froothie Evolve blender because she's big, powerful and glass. I really like glass. You don't get that milky look that you get with plastic. And this is a large capacity glass jug. It also has a heating jug, but I'm not looking at that one today. I just thought I'd show you how I make hummus in a large batch in this fantastic, powerful Froothie as opposed to using the smaller blender. So I hope you like this short overview of what the Froothie Evolve can do with making hummus. Hey Froothie,
I'm listening.
clean my blender.
Starting the automatic cleanup function for you now. Please wait.
Hey Froothie,
Hello.
clean my blender.
Starting the automatic cleanup function for you now. Please wait.
Okay.